Today we're going to talk about graphing inequalities. This is a very basic lesson, so this is going to go very fast. But if you get stuck, please let us know. Okay, so graphing inequalities with less than. So less than, you would read that as less than. So you're going to always read it from the variable. That's going to help you graph it. So here I would say x is less than 5. And here I would also say I would start here and say x is less than 5. The values of x are less than 5. Okay, so when we think about numbers that make this statement true, let's think about some numbers. Is 5 less than 5? No, so 5 can't be a solution. Is 3 less than 5? Yes, 3 is less than 5. That will work because I could say 3 is less than 5. This is true. So 5 is less than 5? No, not true. Is 0 less than 5? Yes, this is true, so I can put in 0. Is negative 8 less than 5? Yes, that's true. Is negative 10 less than 5? Yes, that's true. So I can use any of those numbers. Because you cannot use the number 5, the point will be open. So when I graph it, I'm going to use an open circle, and then that means that it does not include the number 5. So when I graph this, x does not include 5, but x is less than 5. So my arrow is going to go to the left. So we're going to do the same thing here. Less than or equal to, that's the new thing. And notice that underneath here I have this line because it's kind of like combining these two symbols. We just don't write one of the symbols, one of the lines for the equal. So the values of 5, so we would say x is less than or equal to 5. And again, we would start here, x is less than or equal to 5. So the values of x are less than or equal to 5. So is 5 less than or equal to 5? Yes, we can include 5. So again, we're going to go through. Is 3 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Is 0 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Is negative 12 less than or equal to 5? Yes. So because you can use the number 5, the point will be closed. So we're going to put in a closed circle at 5. And my answers include 5 and are less than 5. All right, so the same thing is going to happen here. So except that now we're using greater than. So x is greater than 5, x is greater than 5. The values of x are greater than a 5. So I want to look for numbers that are greater than 5. Is 5 greater than 5? No. So I can't use 5. Is 7 greater than 5? Yes. Is 12 greater than 5? Yes. Is 100 greater than 5? Yes. Is 96 greater than 5? Yes. And again, because you cannot include 5, the point will be open. So I'm going to have an open point at 5, and now my arrow goes to the right. So let's do greater than or equal to. So again, we have this symbol. So x is greater than or equal to 5. And we start here. X is greater than or equal to 5. The value of x is greater or equal to 5. And so think of numbers that make this true. So is 5 greater than or equal to 5? Yes. Is 12? Yes. Is 18 greater than or equal to 5? Yes. Is 1,000 greater than or equal to 5? Yes. And then because you can use the number 5, the point will be closed and going to the right. So one thing I want to point out is when you write your solution, if you write your solution with the variable first, and it has to be set up this way, your symbol will point the direction of your arrow, but only if you put your variable first. Okay, so next we're going to practice. So I want you to pause the video and do these and then see how you do. I'm guessing you're going to do great. So here, f is greater than 7. It's an open circle because it does not include it, and it's going to the right. M is less than 4. It's an open circle because it does not include 4, and it's to the left. A is greater than or equal to -1, closed circle, going to the right. Z is less than or equal to 5, closed circle, going left. Now they want us to read these. Closed circle going to the left means my symbol is less than or equal to. So X is going to be less than or equal to, and it's at +7. And then here it does not include the number, and it's going to the right. So X is going to be greater than 1 because it does not include, it's an open circle. All right, please let us know if you have any questions. And we will be, in this unit, we are going to be graphing all of our solutions for inequalities. So this is kind of a key thing. So make sure if you're stuck and you have questions that you please ask.